Man, look at the size of this pencil cactus. It's huge. Yep, I'm coming. Do you like our backyard, Holden? Me too. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta get rid of that nest.
See there? Look right there. That's the bee nest.
Is there one under there? Is there? Let's have a look. Why do they like your swing so much? We get rid of that nest and they put it back. That'll be the third nest that we've had to get rid of out of that swing. It's a good thing we check it before we put you in there and let you start swinging.
There's another wasp.
Man, look at that pencil cactus. It starts way down there. And goes all the way out here and then like turns and branches out up there.
I'm getting at that tree. Can't get that orange tree. I'm getting up there.
That's a big pencil cactus. I've seen them in pots in Missouri.
Why should we get up there?
Never anything that big. I mean, look, that's still it, like way
Why should we
way
get
up here.
there
That's, I mean, that's still the pencil
now?
cactus.
I'm getting up there.
The same plant.
Here we go. Here we go there. I'm getting at that tree.
You want to take your swimmy off?
No,
Okay.
I want my swimming off.
You gonna jump in the pool?
No,
Why not?
I don't want to jump in that pool.
All right.
I'm getting up there.
All right, go for it. I'll record you.
I'm getting up.
Don't fall.
I can't. I can't get up there.
Well, at least you tried. The cheese?
Cheese. I didn't go up that tree. Yep, yeah. I'm in the yard.
This tree is going to wind up giving us problems. It's actually laying right here on this power line. And if I try to cut it, it's going to smash the neighbor's fence.
I can't see. I can't go over here.
And now we need to get rid of this giant brush pile.
I'm in the new yard. I'm in the new yard.
Hang on, I'm walking over here. I'm video recording our yard. You what? Yeah, I gotta make sure you don't get away from me. Say shoo. Run and jump in. Run and jump in the pool, I'll record you.
No,
Why not?
I don't want them in the pool.
Is it too cold?
Mm-hmm.
The water's 78
Come here.
and we're miserable. It's way too cold to be swimming. Do you like it better than our old yard?
Uh-huh.
Me too.
Look at it.
Everybody says Florida don't have grass. It's like, they say it's like really stiff and it's not the soft grass that you get up in the northern states, but this is just as good as the grass we had in Missouri. Maybe not quite as thick, but it don't hurt my feet. It's nice soft grass.
Take my swimming off.
All right.
Here. My swimming.
Ta-da! Now remember not to jump in the pool. Oh, Froggy likes that warm water. You gonna try to pick him up?
No?
Why not? Touch him on his butt, he'll jump. Do it. Touch right here. Ready? Here we go.
We're in the warm water.
Hey, Mr. Frog. Now I'm ready. Do it. You better hope you're not rolling around in ants.
No, watch me do it again.
Alright, I'm watching. And I think about 5,000 other people are going to be watching
You
too.
did it.
Woo!
There we go.
Do it again.
Watch me do it like here.
Now are you ready to go jump in the pool?
No, I don't.
Okay, go. Woo! Is it cold?
Uh-huh. Watch me get out.
Alright. You gonna do it again?
No.
Why not?
I'm going in there. I'm going in it. I'm going in this the water table.
Is that your hot tub?
Mm-hmm. It's very hot.
Heck yeah. We're either gonna need a hot tub
Uh-huh.
or a heater for the pool. And I think I can build a heater pretty dang easy with all this sunshine.
Yeah, sunshine. It's right there.
Yeah.
Maybe I need to just dress up as a clown.
Maybe you should.